Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this discussion we are going to look at the problem 3 to the power 2 which is also raised to the power 3 which is also raised to the power x is equal to 6561. Here we are looking for the value of x. So let's proceed. Let's put our question down first. And now the first thing we need to do is to ensure that we can express this number as a product of its prime factors. And then when you do so, we have 3 to the power 2 which is raised to the power 3 which is also raised to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 8. Okay, so 3 to the power 8 will give you 6561. And now if you know the rule involved in solving exponential equations, once the bases are the same, what do? We equate the exponents. Before we proceed, kindly click on the subscribe button, like and share. Let's go back to the video. So we are going to equate 2 to the power 3 which is also raised to the power x and of course 8. Now that gives us what we have on the screen, 2 to the power 3 to the power x which is equal to 8. Now the next approach is that we have 2 here as a base. Is it possible to also write 8 as a power of a base 2? And the answer is yes. And when you write 8 as a product of its prime factors, you're also going to come up with 2 to the power 3. Okay, so 2 to the power 3 raised to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 3. At this stage, we realize that the bases are also the same. So what do? We equate the exponents. So we take 3 to the power x is equal to 3, as you can see on the screen. And now, you do realize that the 3 we have here can be written as 3 to the power 1. Now what does that imply? 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 1. Now at this stage you realize that the bases are the same. And finally we can simply say that x is equal to 1. This is a very simple trick. So as you can see, it looked complicated, but rather it had a very simple solution. Thank you for your time and may God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye.